Hello everybody, this is La Dominga. Sorry about the video delay. I don't know what's going on. Well, let's start with the numbers. When I started my liquid diet, I was at 237, and today I'm at 207. And not much has happened. Well, I went to the doctor. I don't know if I told y'all, but right after surgery, the doctor told me to go to my doctor and have my thyroid checked. Well, I went, and first, I've never actually seen my doctor. I always see the physician's assistant. I'm going to take care of that real quick. I'm going to change doctors. Well, anyway, he didn't even check it. He told me to eat right, and he'd check it in 3 months. Well, I had been eating right because of the lap band. Well, I didn't tell him. Well, I did tell him that my knee was bothering me, that it would wake me up, and he told me to get Bengay. I was furious when I left there, and so it hadn't been checked. Excuse my hair. I just got out of the shower. I'm getting ready for work. Uh, I my hair looks kind of funny. I'm doing okay. Of course, having the lap band, you do lose weight, but it's hard work too, because it's up to you, to select the right foods. People at work seem to think that I eat like this because if I eat the wrong foods, I'll throw up. They don't understand that I can if I want to, but I just choose not to. And they just have a misconception of what it's about, because other people there have had the gastric bypass, and they eat everything. And but I just choose not to. I've watched y'all's videos enough to know that I have to make the right choices. And the weight's dropping okay. I wish it dropped faster, but I guess slow is good. And I've been thinking again about what I've told you about not joining a health club. I'm thinking of go ahead and doing it and going in the mornings when everybody's asleep, because around my house everybody works late and they don't get up till almost 10, 11. By then I could go to the gym and come back and make breakfast for them by the time I come back. So I'm thinking of doing it after all. I figure try it. Try to find a cheap one. And but I still haven't made up my mind. And my husband talking about taking a trip to Arkansas to see his uncle at the end of this month. And hopefully I get the days off at work. I don't know if I will, because around that time of year we were pretty busy, and I'm just hoping I do get 3 days off to go. I don't know if I will. And let's see what else. Oh, my mother's sister was sick, and I went over to see her. She lives about 80 miles away. I went over to see her. My uncle's in town from California, so I visited with him and his girlfriend. And the whole time I was there at my aunt's house, she never woke up. She was asleep the whole time. So I'll probably go back Monday when I'm off, and go in the morning, because usually that's her best time to catch her awake, is in the morning. By the afternoon, she's usually napping. So I'll probably go back and see her. And she had a stroke, and she's getting over it. She's doing better. And she has diabetes, and so that kind of adds to the situation. And let's see what else has been happening. Not much else. I can't think of anything else. And I'm still taking my fiber and my vitamins, and not drinking as much water as I should, but I'll try to do better. And what else? Can't think of anything else. But I'll keep you all posted on everything, and when I change doctors, hopefully he'll check my thyroid. So y'all have a good weekend, and God bless. Bye-bye.